Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to increase your Bank of America credit limits. How to increase your Bank of America credit limits. The first thing you need to do is check eligibility. Ensure your account is at least 6 to 12 months old and in good standing, that is no late payments. Then you can request online. By logging into Bank of America's website and app, you can navigate to credit card services and then select request credit limit increase option. Next, you can start to call customer service. You can dial the Bank of America customer service and ask for a manual review if you want. You can boost your chances by increasing your income, that is, update your details if you earn more. Keep balances below 30% for lower credit utilization. And then improve your credit score by paying your bills on time and reducing your debt. So you can also use automatic increases. Bank of America may auto approve increases for consistent, responsible use. That is their job. Now here's a tip: avoid multiple hard inquiries. Bank of America usually does a soft pull. They do a soft pull themselves, and it takes typically a few minutes to a few days for approval for increase in credit card limits. And if you need a bigger limit, you can maintain good habits and reapply every 6 months. Hope you found this video helpful.